Hi guys. Now I am going to talk about public-private partnerships for infrastructure. First of all, why do we need public-private partnerships in infrastructure? We need public-private partnerships in infrastructure because governments today are running out of money. I mean, they are running in debts. They can't invest more on infrastructure, but we need infrastructure for sure. So this is where we are looking for public-private partnerships. These are some advantages of infrastructure privatization. One of the things I mentioned is capital savings. Government can save capital. Government can save capital, and in operations also government can save, and it works as a means of financing. And in some of the areas there is lack of expertise from government, like in building or operations. So that's where the private companies come in and help them to overcome this thing, and they will provide the better service, of course. Next, there is a wide spectrum of public-private partnerships ranging from public-owned assets to the completely private assets. The first components are like first two are of completely owned by public, but there are some of the contracts given to private persons, like service contracts. For example, we can see IRCTC gave contract. IRCTC got ticketing contracts, some of the things like that, and there may be corporatization, decentralization within the public assets. Now, moving towards public-private partnerships, government may give management and operating contracts to some of the companies, and there are some leases given, and then comes concessional projects. BOT is one of the most important public-private partnership mode we are going to discuss, and there are some joint venture partnerships, and then we move towards completely privately owned assets, like full divestiture, like we will completely sell the assets to the private sector. So when we go from public owned assets to the private owned assets, the risk obviously will increase. Now there are some strategic issues involved in public-private partnerships. My friend will cover those.
When we see about the strategic issue in the public-private partnerships, the first comes in the roles and the functions. So if you take roles and functions, so like either for each and every project there will be kind of roles where for like kind of operation management, and then capital finance, working capital. So these four roles should be allocated in the start before the project starts. For like the normal small project, that won't be a problem. For if you take like a big, like big complex projects and everything, there will be so many sectors which will be involved, like banks, designing companies. So kind of so many companies will be combined in the public-private partnership. So that will be a main issue where they will have a problem of who will do which project and everything. And for next comes the competition. Competition in the sense, competitions everywhere, like the bidding, everything will happen where the companies will be selected depends upon the list prices, like more like less time who is taking and how innovative and everything. But when we see in the larger scale, like there is a more investment, many companies can't able to participate, where there will be a natural monopoly will come. So at the time only very less, like big companies only can, where they can participate. But in some cases government will, like they will form a monopoly where more of them cannot able to participate in the bidding and they can take the competition. And in the case of comes the regulation. In the case of regulation, if you see, there should be kind of some regulations, rules and everything for the operator and everywhere. Where like if keep on the times increases, the rate also should increases because the economic value and everything will increase. So in the starting itself, the government or like any organization will form a regulation rules which will be followed in the timely manner. And if we come to the risks or rewards and regulations, they are like mainly categorized into three different parts: business risk, finance risk, financial risk, and political risk. Business risk is mainly kind of which mainly depends upon the operation cost. Okay, the operation risk, as operation cost, revenue. If a company couldn't able to make the revenue which we expected, because if the demand is they couldn't able to get that, and all everything will come under revenue risk. Then financial risk is the risk which they couldn't able to pay the debt, For example, if they got this much amount of money and if they couldn't able to pay after the revenue comes, they couldn't able to pay the debt, then that comes under financial risk. Political risk and everything will be from the like if kind of the way the mostly the political risk will have a third party insurance, like they might have some political risk and everything, and the extra other risk which we have also technology risk, environmental risk and everything. Next is called procurement. In procurement,
you have to wind up very quickly. Okay, you've already taken your 5 minutes.
Procurement, like they are broadly divided into advertised procurement, competitive procurement, and 3 steps procurement.
Yeah. So I'll just go through the generic barriers to PPPs in Indian context. So there are 3 type of barriers mainly. First is institutional barriers. So here in some cases we have seen that only the public sector is allowed to provide certain services, whereas there is no such law which prevents certain private sector from providing infrastructure services. Organizational barriers, so there is a lack of knowledge or conceptual clarity amongst the private and public sectors regarding the legal and financial structuring of the infrastructure projects. Third is the project level barrier, so it is project specific. In this case is certain certain private agencies are unable to get the operational cost back or break even. Next is barriers to urban PPPs in India. So first is the contrasting mindset and distrust between the private and public sectors. So generally the government offices sees the private agencies as contractors. They cannot imagine a private sector company or agency to own or operate a project. So there is a contrasting mindset between these sectors. Second is the lack of political will towards project implementation. So in some cases it has been seen that if a project is backed, a project has a political backing, so it will so the private agency involved in the PPP will perform well. So yeah, that is the thing. Lack of enabling institutional environment, I have gone through this, so it is just same as institutional barriers. Lack of public sector capacity to select and procure PPP projects. So government offices, they in some cases it has been seen that government offices are unable to properly structure the financial structure of the project, and sometimes it results in the cost overruns and renegotiations. Poor project design and structuring. So this is also similar to the project level barriers. In some cases, like in some cases like Dabhol project, it has been Dabhol power project. It has been seen that the company was unable to get its investment due to poor assumptions that they make. So that is the thing.
A few aspects of this presentation I want to talk about. Let's see, let me start with this slide first. So when we say public-private partnerships, there are a spectrum of arrangements. So essentially the way I define it is in terms of risks. So private sector involvement in infrastructure is not new, right? So any project that you see, the construction fellow is probably a private sector operator. It's not as if government has its own machinery, own labor, own engineers, and they actually go ahead and construct. They come out with a tender, they pay for the project, but ultimately it's a private sector organization that builds it in most parts of the world. So private participation is not something that's new, right? What is new is that traditionally the private sector was asked to take design and construction risk. So went to the private sector and say, you design it for me, you construct it for me. If you don't construct it on time, then whatever penalties you'll have to pay. If you don't construct it within the budget, then I'm not going to pay you anymore. So you will take the design and construction risk. Now what we're saying with PPPs is we're expanding that. We're saying in addition to design and construction, right? Also take the financing risk. You go figure out where the money is going to come from, right? And also take the operations risk. Say up until now you just built the road and you weren't bothered about who went on that road, right? So you just finished the contract and you went away, right? Now you need to start taking a little bit more interest in actually operating and maintaining the asset. So your risk spectrum increases, right? Don't just take design construction risk, take design construction risk, but also financing risks, operation risks, etc. And there are different permutations and combinations. So the most so this is where the okay, that's okay, I think. So here the one in the middle in blue, which says concessions, BOT projects, DBOs, that is the sort of the canonical PPP, where you go to the private sector and you say, bring in money, design and build this project and operate it for a period of time and then give the asset back to me. So the ownership of this asset rests within the public sector, right? Ultimately it's my road. I'm giving you what we call a concession, right? Why is it called a concession? Because I'm conceding the right to operate and build this road to you for a period of time, right? So it comes from the word conceding. So it's actually my right. I'm conceding that right to you. So for the next 30 years, bring in the money, build it, operate it, etc. Right? So we call it a concession. But after a while, you transfer it back to me, right? So that's where the T comes from. So it's BOT, build, operate, transfer, right? That's the canonical form of PPPs. But that need not be the only way form of PPP. So for instance, just an operations and management contract, which is the red box third from the left, is also a form of PPP, right? Where you say, okay, the asset is built. I don't need you to sort of design it and build it, but maybe you can refurbish it, you can, whatever, do some modifications on it, and then continue to operate and manage the asset over a period of time. That might be a PPP as well. So there are different kinds of PPPs, and I don't want to get into the technicality of what a lease is, what an affirmage is, and etc. But essentially, just think of it as PPPs involved private sector taking more risk than design and construction. What exactly that more risk is can vary. And the most popular form is this build, operate, transfer, where you bring somebody in to build, finance, build, operate. After a period of time, transfer the asset back to you. Right? Most of our roads, power plants, all of them are built on BOT. All right. How old do you guys think PPPs are? We have known evidence of PPPs for about 500 years, right? Because there are some ferry crossings in the US, which were done typically on a build, operate, transfer model in the 17th century-ish time period, where essentially private sector came and said, I will build these jetties or docks or whatever on both sides of the river. I will operate, me or another private ferry operator can operate ferries. We'll charge everyone some toll or tax or fee or whatever, through which I will recoup my money for building those docks, and after a certain period of time I'll give those docks back to the government. If you want, you run the ferries yourself. You want to get somebody else to run them. So again, private sector, financing, building, operating infrastructure. And then we have examples like the Suez Canal, where essentially an enterprising group of Frenchmen went to the Pasha of Egypt and said, why do ships need to go all the way down the Horn of Africa and out to the other side into Asia or vice versa? Why can't we cut through the Mediterranean and through the Isthmus of Suez and get out the other side? And the Pasha said, great idea, but I don't have the money or the technical know-how to do it. So the French said, great, we'll do it for you, right? Concede the right to us, right? We will actually build the Suez Canal. We'll bring in the money, we'll build it, right? We'll operate it, make sure it's desilted, whatnot. And we'll charge a toll for every ship that passes through, and that's how we make our investment back. And about 99 years later, we'll turn it back to you, right? So exactly the kind of BOTs that we're seeing today, so on the Suez Canal, right? So it's pretty old, BOT, the whole PPP concept, okay? So the next question, which is what this slide deals with, which these guys presented, is why do I do PPP, right? Of these, if you had to pick one reason, what would you pick? Okay, I've got 5 reasons here: capital savings, operation savings, means of financing, lack of expertise, better service. You want to pick one? Okay, means of financing. Okay, so everywhere you go, if you read, right, if you go to conferences on PPPs, right, if you read what the Planning Commission says about PPPs or NITI Aayog or whatever, right, very often that's what they say, right? They'll essentially say, I don't have money, and therefore I'm going to do PPP. All right, now let's see if this works. Oh, okay, it does work. I don't know why. Okay. Okay, so they say, I don't have money, so I'm going to do. Oh, it's gone back there. Okay, so let me do this then. All right, I will then shift to my presentation because it has more or less similar slides. All right, so I'm going to talk about this slide, and the other slide I want you guys to keep in mind is this this slide, barriers and so on. So I want to talk about those, and I think we'll have, all right, so there are a spectrum of ways of doing projects. You can have completely government owned, you can have just the government giving out contracts, which is the engineering, procure, construction mode, or you can have the BOT, or even fully privatized, right? No need to transfer back to sell the asset. Okay, so why do we need to adopt PPPs? What are the advantages, right? So number one advantage that comes to everyone's mind is finance. Okay, there's a little bit of a problem, right? And so this seems logical, right? The private sector is bringing in money, right? I don't have money, isn't that why I should do PPP? Okay, by and large, that's not a completely illogical argument, but there's one sort of nuance which I want you guys to all think about, right? And here is how it goes, okay? 100 crore project, all right? 100 crore. I do not have the money with me, and therefore I go to the private sector. Okay, the private sector says, okay, we'll do the same thing we just talked about: 80% debt, 20% equity. Cost of debt is 12%. Cost of equity is another 20%, and so this works out to about a 13.6% internal rate of return. So now the private sector says, I need to set tariffs, toll rates, right? So that I will get 13.6% return, right? So I need to balance, I know what the costs are fixed. I can play around with the revenues, right? I can't play around with demand, that's fixed, but I can play around with tariffs, right? So let's just say for the moment that I say, I sort of set a 50 rupees per vehicle tariff, right? Let's just assume that there aren't different types of vehicles, all of that. Flat 50 rupee fee, all right? Now, the thing is, right, you don't have the 100 crores, right? That's why we started this journey. But what if you had gone and you had borrowed the money yourself, right? Instead of going with the private sector, what if you had gone and you had borrowed the money yourself? Okay, so let's say you went to the World Bank, okay, or you went to IDBI or whatever, right? And let's say you went to the World Bank. The World Bank is a development institution. So they're looking at interest rates that are probably a little bit lower than commercial interest rates because they're looking at fostering development, right, in these kinds of developing countries. What if they actually gave you all of these 100 crores at 8%? Okay? What if they gave you all of those 100 crores at 8%? What could you do to these toll rates? What would happen to these toll rates? You cut down, right? I don't need to charge 50 rupees. I don't need to make 13.6%. I can charge, I don't know, 40 rupees. So which one's better? Charging 50 rupees or charging 40 rupees? Charging 40 rupees, right? All of us get to pay 40 rupees. Okay? So the point is, if I don't have money, and I don't have money now, so essentially what I've done is I've looked at my accounts, my treasury, right? And we don't have money right now. I still have the option to borrow, right? I can borrow and I can continue to pay over a period of time. It's like buying a house, right? Do you buy a house only after you've saved up all 4 crores to buy the house, or do you sort of buy the house when you have enough for a down payment and finance it as you go, right? So similar logic, I don't have to save up for the entire road to buy the road, right? As long as I have a little bit of money to keep going, I can continue to pay over a period of time, and I can collect toll just the same as anyone else, right? But I can charge less for the toll because my interest rates are cheaper. People are going to lend to me. Government interest rates are always cheaper everywhere in the world because government is safe, right? They're not going to default on payments, right? So if it's just a question of money, right, PPPs are actually the wrong option, right? You should look at borrowing yourself. If you don't have the money now, it's better off that you borrow at 8% rather than ask the private sector, who by the way is also borrowing, right? It's not that the private sector has money stuffed in their back pocket that they're putting on the project, right? They're also borrowing 80% at much higher interest rates, and that's driving the cost of the project up, that's driving the cost of services up. Okay, so financing per se cannot be the reason. Okay, so the real reasons have to be one of two things, right? One is there's something in government, particularly in India, I'm sure there are things in Germany elsewhere else, which we called FRBM rules, right? Fiscally responsible budgetary management rules. Okay, what this means is it limits the amount of money that the government can borrow, right? So the government takes the view that no problem, right? I get low interest rates. Let me sort of borrow indiscriminately. Then essentially what are you doing, right? You're putting on a loan repayment burden onto future generations. Today you happily borrowed, right? Crores and crores of rupees. Tomorrow you've gotten voted out, right? But the burden of repayment will last for generations to come, which obviously doesn't make sense, right? So we have to put some cap on government borrowing, which is what the fiscally responsible budgetary management rules try to do, okay? So if you've already reached that cap on borrowing, then there's no question of you able to borrow at 8%. You can't borrow anymore. In which case you're left with a choice of let the private sector borrow at 13.6%, I'll have a project, or let me wait 5-6 years until I repay enough loans that I'm able to borrow more and then I'll build this project. At that point of time, maybe you can't wait 6-7 years to build a sewage treatment plant or a water supply project, right? So in those cases, it makes sense. Saying I can't borrow, so let me go with the private sector. That's one sort of reason. But the second reason is that yes, the private sector will borrow at 13.6%. I understand that, right? But somehow because they are more innovative, they will actually come up with efficiencies that will bring the overall cost down. So because they are likely to invest in, they have better people, better access to technology, whatnot, maybe they can actually build this at 85 crores, right? It would take 100 crores for me to do it, but these guys, I mean desalination, but these guys understand the latest and greatest desalination technology. They bring in lean construction principles, building information modeling, whatnot, put in all of this innovation. They're able to incentivize and attract higher quality people because they pay higher salaries and therefore their operations are going to be much better. So for whatever reason, where it would cost me 100 crores, it will cost them only 85. So now the comparison is 100 crores at 8% and what tariff that leads to, or 85 crores at 13.6%. And it could be that 85 crores at 13.6% could be serviced with a 40 rupee tariff because it's only 85 crores. Right? And therefore the public sector is net more efficient. I'm sorry, the private sector is net more efficient. So it is more expensive for them to borrow, but they are somehow innovating and bringing the overall cost down. In that case, the PPP makes sense. Right? So when you're going with the private sector, let's all understand that the private sector is also going to borrow money and that money is going to be more expensive for them to borrow. So if you want the private sector to do all of that, there should be some benefit. Right? For them borrowing more expensive capital, they have to bring in a certain benefit. Right? And so, I don't know how this is going to look, but private sector has some shortcomings. Finance we've talked about. There's sometimes a lack of expertise in the public sector, right? And therefore that makes the private sector more efficient. Things like, all of this, power politics, selection bias, corruption, whatever. So if you assume that much of that will go away when private sector comes in, so more efficiency will come in, then it makes sense to go with the private sector. So the big advantage of private sector is efficiency, not their ability to bring money. They're actually less efficient at bringing in money than you are as government. For instance, if you look at toll rates today on roads, private sector doesn't set those toll rates. NHAI, National Highways Authority, sets the toll rate. So if you travel on any national highway, you're paying roughly similar rates, right? But for me to be able to set it at 40, the project needs to work at 40, no? If the project will work only at 50 and I set it at 40, nobody will come forward, right? So for me to even be able to regulate, right, I need to get to a point of efficiency where 40 is possible, right? Then I can regulate that to make sure that this guy doesn't make windfall profits by charging 50, 60. That's another problem with PPP, right? I give you a water PPP, you're going to supply water to the city, right? Without water, we'll all die. So suddenly you say, fine, I'm going to charge you 5,000 rupees a kiloliter, right? You don't want my water? Fine. Right, knowing full well that you have no option, right? So PPPs sometimes have these monopoly characteristics, which is where the regulation comes in. So that group had a slide on regulation, right? When they had this thing, essentially you might have to regulate the PPP, right? Because otherwise the private sector might just hold people to ransom. So you can regulate tariffs, quality of service, all of those kinds of things have to come in, right? That's where TRI does some regulation in telecom. So you have to have regulators in these sectors. So it kind of depends on the project arrangement, right? So for instance, the PPP might be built on an annuity model, right? So what does the annuity mean? You build and then every 6 months I give you a fixed payment as long as the road is of some acceptable quality, roughness index, all of that. So in that scenario, private sector need not collect toll. They're not getting toll revenue, right? So NHAI, in certain cases, the private sector still collects the toll, but hands it over straight to NHAI. Right, they just are the operator that collects the toll, right? So there are all kinds of arrangements, that are possible, right? Depends on this thing. So yeah. Secondly, so I think these are so I think it's something to think about carefully. So we've looked at what is a PPP, Why do we need PPPs? And then of course there are some challenges to be, there are several risks, and we're going to cover all of those risks in the next module. By the way, there are some examples of advantages, right, of the private sector, right? So for instance, this is a graph that says following private participation, the amount of water available has increased, right? In other words, the private sector has been more efficient. It might have been more costly, but the amount of water that's been made available, right? In other words, water that doesn't leak, that doesn't get lost, etc., has been reduced considerably, right? So the value of that outweighs the extra few percent of interest that the private sector charges. So there are all of these graphs in I think the next one is in energy, right? So if you look at privatization and post-privatization, the energy losses are reduced, right? So therefore there is more power within the system, and that efficiency gain probably outweighs. So this kind of efficiency is required. If you don't get any efficiency benefit, then it's just a more expensive project. So a large number of PPP projects are being renegotiated, cancelled, they aren't really bearing themselves out. So this is a graph that says, look, sometime in the mid-90s, PPP started to peak, right? And then after that, almost everywhere in the world, it's started to come down. Of course, this is a very dated graph. In India, again, there was about 2007, 2008, 2010, lots of PPPs being enacted. Post that, things have come down a little bit. Now it looks like the infrastructure is picking up. To some extent, there's a cycle, but also there have been several problems with PPPs, right? One of the problems is, of course, the fact that you have to charge a tariff, right? And that sometimes is very difficult, right? So people ask the question saying, am I not already paying taxes? Is it not the government's duty to build roads with the taxes that I pay, right? How come you're also taking my taxes and charging me for this road, right? Isn't water a basic right? How can you price my water, right? So you have all of these challenges that you'll have to resolve, right? You'll have to talk to people and try to see if you can convince them about these kinds of issues. Very often, the public sector is operating inefficiently, right? So there are far more people in a public sector organization than there needs to be. So when a private sector comes in, what do? They're hard-nosed about profits. So if they only need 2 people per 1,000 water connections, and you already had 4 or 5 people, they're going to fire 2 or 3 people to keep their costs down, right? So maybe there'll be unemployment if the private sector comes in. This is another concern, right? Because the private sector is interested in making a profit, right? Will they be interested in servicing people who may not have the ability to pay, right? So a classic case in Latin America some time ago when people hadn't thought these things through was they sort of give out a water supply contract, right? And you'd find that the private sector would only connect the rich providers because only those providers, right, would pay them money. The relatively poorer providers, right, anyway they're unlikely to pay you money, so you wouldn't even bother connecting them, right? And that leads to inequity in access and so on. Ideological issues, right? Isn't this the job of the government, right? Should private sector be providing these services? Particularly, should a foreign private sector be providing these services? Is my money going away from my own pocket to the pockets of a foreign person for services that the government should provide? So these are the kinds of ideologies that people might articulate, right? And has to be, and these things, if not really understood, dealt with, mitigated, could lead to problems on the project, right? So many of these kinds of issues, including the kinds of issues that team brought up on the last slide, right? Where essentially said, look, public-private partnerships might fail if the project is not structured well. Sometimes if you say, look, the return on investment is only about 10-11%, but somehow let's convince somebody to do a PPP. Sometimes your initial studies that are done are very poorly done, and we'll see a couple of examples in our class later on where it looks like you'll make a large amount of money, but that's because your surveys of the number of people traveling on the road, etc., are very poorly done. So poor project structuring, the fact that from a regulatory perspective, now in India almost every state has a Infrastructure Development Act. Right, I helped write the one for Tamil Nadu, something called the Tamil Nadu Infrastructure Development Act, which talks extensively about how to do PPPs in Tamil Nadu, right? And accompanying it is something called a Transparency in Tenders Act. How do you procure PPPs in Tamil Nadu? So because you have that framework, everyone is clear how to do a PPP. But if not, then there's a lot of hesitancy in terms of doing PPPs, right? So very few PPPs come to the table. People are not clear, right? Will I get caught by some audit agency for doing this, right? Political willingness is another important aspect, because ultimately it's the elected representative who has to take the decision, right? The minister of so and so must approve that this project must be done on PPP. So you need political willingness to do PPP. So there are all of these barriers, right, that can play havoc with PPP. So the moral of the story in some sense is, if we go back to the old estimates, the amount of infrastructure that India needs to build is huge. We've already seen that. In my view, it's just impossible for all government departments to come together and build that infrastructure. I just don't think we have enough capability, resources, whatever to do that. If you just look at what NHAI is talking about, what the Ministry of Energy is talking about, what we're talking about under smart cities, what we're talking about under Amrut, under PMAY, just put all of these together, right? The amount of work to be done is mind-boggling. And to think that government organizations can bring in the resources, financing, manpower to do that, I think is impossible. Right? So if we want to continue developing at the rate at which we're developing, we have to bring the private sector in. Right? So I think in my mind, that's relatively clear. The question is, when do you bring the private sector in? Only in cases where you can clearly establish their efficiency, right? And also some of the barriers to bringing the private sector in have to be resolved. So you can have this mix of publicly funded projects that the government undertakes, perhaps where it's difficult to make revenues in rural areas, and privately funded projects, so that hand in hand we can actually start develop. Okay, so that's the key, public-private partnership story. Okay, I don't think I have any other key slides I want to cover. Again, I'll put all of these up there. This was the slide that the group put up. Right, so these are some of the barriers to PPPs. Right, the fact that there is a lot of distrust between public and private sectors. So people say, PPP, where's the third P? Right, public-private partnership. Right, there's often very little partnership. Okay, so this public and private sector coming together. There's sort of an analogy, I'm not a big fan of this analogy, but there are a lot of people who write about PPPs as analogous to marriages, right? So they're long-term commitments between private and public sector, right? But these PPPs are more marriages of convenience at best, right? The ones that we see. So all of these are issues that we ought to look at. All right, so I think we'll stop here with a little bit of an understanding of PPPs. Again, these slides are there. You can take a look at them, probably add a few more points to your understanding.